How to check Android storage usage and free app space. Start by opening your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on storage. You'll see a breakdown of how your space is being used, like apps, photos, videos, audio, calc, data, and more. To clean things up, tap free app space or smart storage if your device has that option. You'll be guided through removing junk files, old downloads, and rarely used apps. You can also tap into each category manually, like photos and videos, and delete large or duplicate files directly. If you back up your photos Google Photos, you can safely delete them from your device by tapping Free App Device Storage in the Photo app. For deeper cleaning, apps like Files by Google can help you remove hidden junk, large files, and temporary data with one tap. And that's it.